Alright, gonna get this Ryobi 1¼ horsepower. Out with the old. In with the new Ryobi 1¼ horsepower. Supposed to be super quiet. We will see. Installation is complete on the 1¼ horsepower Ryobi garage door opener. It's an old lift master, man. 14, 15 years. It served its purpose, but it's done now. I know a lot of people have been talking about just Ryobi being unreliable and whatnot, but so far so good. I mean, I know it's fresh, but we'll see. Right now I got the fan blowing. Everything seems to be working. A lot of complaints also about this wireless wall mount thing here, but so far so good. It has been reliable. So maybe they fixed the bugs in it. Maybe that's what it is. I hope that's what it is. But everything seems to be working just fine. The motor itself is quiet. My door is old and needs to be replaced. That's what's making most of the noise. You can see the light. The bottom was cool about that. Just press this light button on and off, no problem. Back on. This thing has worked flawlessly. This program has worked just fine as well. Again, no glitches. Everything is working just the way it's supposed to. Let me get this again. There it goes. So again, the Ryobi garage door opener, 1¼ horsepower, working flawlessly. I'll check back with y'all about 6 months from now and see if it's still doing the same. Hopefully we don't have any glitches in it. Take care.